Hello, I'm Dr. Ellen Valenciano. I'm the medical director of this clinic. So this is Munuki Seventh-day Adventist Clinic. This is located in Juba, South Sudan.
Munuki is the only Adventist medical institution in the country of South Sudan. It resides inside the Seventh-day Adventist compound at the intersection of 4 major roads in Juba. From its privileged location, Adventists have a chance to interact with the disadvantaged community. The people of South Sudan have endured much violence in its short existence as a country, and this clinic serves as a haven for the sick and afflicted.
The patients I see, they are all kinds, from babies up to adults. Yeah, the sicknesses. We have one of the most common disease here is malaria. Then we have diarrhea, respiratory tract infections, like that. I was barely 3 months here. I had malaria for 4 times. 4 times malaria within 4 months. Malaria is too much here because of the heat.
Even easily prevented diseases become a challenge in a developing area such as this. The Munuki Clinic operates at a basic level. They have 2 patient rooms, a limited medical supply, and 3 staff members. 1 lab technician, 1 medical assistant, and Dr. Ellen. On busy days, the staff accommodates people in the outside room. In between patients, the sheets are quickly changed for a washing, as there are only 5 sheets in this 3-bed facility. Dr. Ellen and her staff have chosen to work here as medical missionaries. They want to make a difference, and every patient receives the best possible care. Safety is a key concern. There have been many wars and conflicts in this country, and sadly, fighting is still going on. Dr. Ellen asks you to pray.
I would like to ask them to pray for peace. Yeah, peace is the problem here in Sudan. People are fighting each other. People are killing each other. Yeah, and just peace.
Please pray for peace and for safety, and pray that the Lord of the harvest will send more workers to a ripe mission field.